In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment in Google Workspace. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to know exactly where to go and what to do to ensure your billing is handled smoothly. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to access your Google Workspace dashboard. Once you're signed in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Billing. Clicking on this will take you to the central hub of all things related to your Google Workspace charges and subscriptions. Now that you're in the billing section, you need to navigate to subscriptions. This is where you'll find detailed information about your current plan, including what services you're subscribed to, the terms of these subscriptions, and previous billing statements. By selecting subscriptions, you're essentially bringing up your plan details for easy access. This is crucial because understanding your current plan is the first step toward managing your payments effectively. Once you have your subscriptions in view, click on the plan you would like to manage. Doing so will provide you with a more detailed look at that specific plan's billing settings. This view will typically include pricing, subscription duration, and most importantly, the payment method that has been set up. In this detailed section, you will notice that the plan is set up to be auto-deductible. This means that Google Workspace is configured to automatically charge the card you have on file each billing cycle without requiring manual intervention every time a payment is due. The auto-deduction setup simplifies the billing process substantially. It ensures that your services remain uninterrupted, as payments are processed automatically without requiring further action from you each month. However, it's good practice to periodically check that the card details are up to date to avoid any possible service disruptions. At this stage, it's a great idea to review your payment history. Scrutinizing past transactions can help identify any discrepancies or understand how much your services cost every cycle. This review can be done by accessing the Payment or Transactions section within the billing interface, providing full transparency on what has been billed and when. That wraps up the billing overview in Google Workspace. As you can see, making a payment and ensuring your Google Workspace account remains in good standing is as easy as navigating to the right area in your administration panel and ensuring your card details are current. By staying on top of these details and reviewing your billing settings regularly, you can manage your account with confidence, ensuring your services are always active without unexpected interruptions. Thanks for watching, and if this instructional guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.